Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and of course today we are in my kitchen. I'll be showing you guys how I make my own French toast. So you guys, all you'll be needing is your bread, loaf. I got the Texas Giant because they have the bigger slices, and then I got you have your brown sugar. I decided not to use the normal sugar. I used the brown sugar, and then I have my cinnamon right here. I have my milk already mixed, my vanilla flavor in it, and also I have my egg. So I'll be mixing all this together. I'll be mixing everything together so I get ready. If you're new to this channel, you're seeing this face for the first time, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for all the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. I really do appreciate you guys. So I am adding in my milk in the egg. I'm just practically mixing everything. I decided to use the brown sugar just because I love my bread, my toast being a bit brown than normal. And for doing it, some people just use normal vegetable oil, but I decided to use my butter, or I call it, yeah, butter, whatever, but my butter for it, just because I just like the flavor the butter gives to it. I just like it that way. So all you need to do is dip in your egg and mixture, and then you just place it on the pan. Some people like dipping it for too long. I don't like dipping it for too long. I just like it, I don't want it to too soft dipping it for that long. So I just like more like hurriedly putting it and then bringing it out immediately. So once that is done, you just take it out, and I will go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the bread, for my French toast. So thank you so much for watching. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. See you in my next video.